Sharing a report of horse entries with contacts, step-by-step tutorial. On EQUINET, you can easily create reports of single or multiple horse entries and share them with relevant contacts. In this video, we will talk about creating a report for a single horse entry, creating a report for multiple horses linked to a contact, creating a report for multiple entries from a specific horse. Let's start by creating a report for a single horse entry. Follow these steps. Step 1. Go to the dashboard. Step 2. Click on Entries. Step 3. Select the entry you want to report. Step 4. Click on Export. Step 5. Click on Share. Select the sharing method, email, message, etc., or save the PDF. Sometimes, you may need to create a report of multiple entries from a horse to show the history of work for that specific horse. To do so, follow these steps. Step 1. Go to Horses. Step 2. Select the horse you wish to share entries from. Step 3. Click on Share icon. Step 4. Select the relevant entries and tap Share. Choose the sharing method, email, message, etc., or save the PDF. Lastly, you can create a report for multiple horses linked to a specific contact like a stable manager. Follow these steps. Step 1. Go to Entries. Step 2. Click on Export from the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select the contact. Step 4. Choose the relevant entries and tap Share. Step 5. Select the sharing method, email, message, etc., or save the PDF. Now that you know how to create and share reports in EQUINET, you're ready to streamline your horse management. Thank you for watching. And remember, we are always just a call or message away.